A party animal. Hear the music? Look at them. They're dancing. I'm filming right now.
Alright. As you can tell, there's very few people now around the pool area and the dance floor, where the band plays, over by the pool and the jacuzzi. It's because everybody's on the show. We have more practice time. It's really nice. We've already been on it before, over like a 4.5 hour tour, been back, had lunch, went back out again, and it's still, just handfuls of people, so it's great. Hey, that's Ricky Martin's. That's Viva La Boca.
Oh, Viva La Boca.
Yes.
Another boat just came in down there, letting the people off.
Yeah, they went on a cruise around the bay here.
We probably saw them over there on, remember the buses?
Oh yeah. Well, what'd she say? It's like a shoe horse.
Yeah. We live.
And it's what, the second largest bay, or the third largest? It's bigger than San Francisco Bay.
Yeah, that's what she said.
It's huge.
I'm going to shut it off and we go upstairs now. They're a party animal. Hear the music? Look at them. They're dancing. Oh, this guy going to catch anything down here? Where'd he go?
A cold. He's going to catch a cold. Look at all the pelicans down there.
Oh my God, yeah.
I know.
Look at that.
And they've got their eye on that fisherman over there. As soon as he catches a fish, they're going to get it.
Yeah, they're going to get the fish.
They're going to rob him blind.
And they're going to take his bait.
That's right. And of course, not one rat will get up that ship.
Right.
Up those lines.
Yeah, what?
Ship.
This is what we're seeing from the bow of the ship. This is the Pacific Ocean, the bay of, where we at? Where we at?
Puerto Vallarta?
Puerto Vallarta, right.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what we see.
This is where we came in and docked. We just zoomed right on in. We'll back out of here and we'll be gone tonight by, what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah, I'll be on the road again.
Yeah. Then we're going to Mazatlan. And then after that's tomorrow.
Right.
And that Thursday. And then on Friday we'll be in Cabo San Lucas.
Oh boy, I can hardly wait.
Yes. Yeah.